Hey, good afternoon. Bob, Trade Genius, the 25th of June. Wanted to go through the market. We had a very good day today. I told you guys last week we were short the Qs, short SPY, and that close on Friday was awful. The market opened, let me go out to a 2-hour chart here real quick, and I'll talk about our trades here in a second. Is that this was the signal to get short, and we sure did. And we're still oversold, but we closed the SPY puts out. We did a quick day trade for long calls, unofficial, so I'm not going to take credit for it. But in the room I told people, hey, it's going to probably run up VWAP, and it did hit it. Now it's rejecting it again, but we stayed short the Qs, and I think the Qs are going to hit this, and it did touch the thing, and I think it's going to roll over again, oversold here. I want to go back to SPY here and talk the 5-minute, and today another winner for us. So you guess you can count that 16 into 45% gain on risk capital, and actually a big better than average gain. And the day looked like we were going to have a big loser, but one thing we can count on is the market definitely follows these weird rules. So we put our trade on at 27.22, thought the flush was done. It really flushed into the close of Europe, and I left the trade on because the VWAP was above our initial price all day. So we just waited and waited and waited. Came up, tried to get it once, came back down, made lows. And then what we did was we added to our position for the 27.10s out of the money, so we had a good price for it, and then it blew right through our price, touched the VWAP, and we closed all the trades and made money today. So that's how we do it. And just to have an experience with trading futures, and you can trade these with us, and you get crypto at the same time. Phil's doing some crypto things. Told you guys bear trap on cryptos. It's following through today. Phil already did a video. I'll let him speak to it. So we made money here on the binary options. Again, small account, you want to make money. It's a great way to get going, learn a lot about how to trade and day trade by trading binaries. And we have a very systematic approach. Like I said, and we make money nearly every day. We're north of 90% on these binary trades. Now, going to the market itself, is that this is the VIX. I mean, what a incredible day today. Let me pull this out to maximum here. Okay. Don't let these topping candles fool you. They used to fool me a lot, all the time, and I would jump in saying, oh, I got topping candle, I'm going to go ahead and take it. I think this has another move into it higher, and then we can look to buy some VXX puts. But you got to realize next couple weeks there's no buying at all. We're in QT, buybacks I should say. We're in QT right now, and the world's a little grisly at the moment. So I wouldn't be in a hurry yet. It's going to set up for a beautiful trade. This is what I call a make your year trade. When this thing finally comes up, this thing pushes up here north of this. You buy some puts on this and you just let it sink back down into oblivion. You'll make your month on it. So we're going to keep a good eye on it, but no rushing at the moment, because this thing can easily get up to this area right here with no problem whatsoever. Okay. The only thing that didn't work today for us is that we just really didn't have any follow through at all in the miners, but no really selling off either. So my problem is I'm biased towards them, and I want to be in them, so I give them the benefit of the doubt. But GDX was pretty flat. AG was down a little bit. Hecla was down as well. DRD was actually up. This thing's just crazy. Like I said, this thing, one day we're going to wake up, it's going to be at $5 or $6, and so that's why I hold it. And it held on pretty well. Nice pop at the end. But once the Federal Reserve relents on this QT and this buying, raising interest rates, which they will soon when this market really tumbles, is that these things are just going to absolutely rock Everything else is in the shitter here. You got FCX is struggling, okay, and you have lithium struggling, XME struggling. So the commodity metals are struggling, and the precious metals are struggling a little bit too. So I think it's still deflationary, and we just have to kind of wait and see. Oil looked like it was going to do something here, and it bounced off of its overbought area here, but I have a feeling too, if it gets down to here, this is USO, then and the dollar starts to relent, oil's going to fly. So be oil and gold and cryptos, and I think you'll do really well in short the Qs, because I think they're in big trouble. I think tomorrow I'll talk about the FANGs a little bit. Anyway, thanks for listening. Come check us out. The specials end on Saturday, and we have killer deals, TradeGeniusAcademy.com, and you get some bundles that are like I said, you made enough money just in the trades I gave today to pay for 2 years worth of the service. Thanks for listening. Bye bye.